our channel.
Yeah, it's us. We're trying to get our grandma's dog. She's just right down the road. Hold on. Let me zoom in.
Put it on us. It's Kira and Gabriel.
Sup, yo?
We have the leash. We're trying to get our dog. He ran away. Our grandma's dog. His name is Zeus. He's a German Shepherd.
Yeah, we're trying to find him.
He ran away, but we just saw him. We just walked out the door, and we just saw him walking on the road. So we got his leash, and we're trying to catch him now.
Yeah, we're just trying to find him. Sorry,
yeah, we're just walking down the road.
Yeah, and we might go live here in a little bit.
Yeah, just show us.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go live here in a minute, and
and we're gonna have a video.
And we're gonna try to catch what our cousins are doing down in the cellar.
Cousins, okay?
And they have a friend.
Yeah, they have a friend named Piper, and it's Kaden and Trinity, and we know them.
Right there she is.
And we know them as kissing cousins. So we're gonna try to sneak up on them and see what they're doing.
Secret.
Yes, they don't.
Secret talk. Not Trinity. Kaden and Piper are dating.
Yeah.
They're trying to keep it secret. You know that, right?
Yeah.
They told you that. Okay. There he is right there. Let me turn my flashlight on. Okay.
Gonna scare him.
Is
a
it?
German Shepherd, and he's only at like 11 months, and he's huge.
He's a huge dog.
He's going into the woods.
That's where she said he might be. I'm just gonna say she. I'm not really gonna say who. Or have you already said her name? Well, Granny.
Yeah.
Never mind.
It's Zeus. Yeah, we're not gonna say our granny's name.
You just think she's gonna call her Granny because she's Granny.
Yeah.
All right.
Because we're brother and sisters, and then it's our mom's mom, so it's our granny. So. Yeah, if you didn't know that, we're brothers and sisters.
Okay, in the woods.
To us, because you're just showing the road.
I don't know how to change it.
Oh
my phone's crappy, okay? We're gonna have to turn on flashlight because it's gonna be dark in the woods. I don't know how. That's a picture, so.
Okay, just please.
Alright, I'll get you.
We're going into the woods right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and
freaking like a horror.
And subscribe to
Ferris the Gamer. He just hit 61 subscribers today, and he is very excited.
Yeah, and he's always like, "Oh my gosh, 50 subs!" And if we hit 50 subscribers, we'll do a party thing.
Yeah. But we're only at 13, which we can get more. I know it. I know it.
You guys, and comment down below what videos you want us to do.
We're a strong community.
Yeah.
I think. Kidding.
Oh, he's down there.
Where?
Right down there. On the railroad tracks.
We'll zoom in.
You see him? He's walking.
I see him.
Sorry, guys. We'll have to just get him next time.
No.
Come on. Okay. Guess we're going
Zeus, buddy, come here.
Zeus! You want to go for a walk? He usually comes if we say what he wants, if he wants to go for a walk. So, yeah. You want to go for a walk, Zeus? And this video would probably be called Trying to Get Our
Finding Granny's Dog. Yeah, that's a good name.
Finding Our Granny's Dog.
We should have planned this because telling people's like, shut up.
So yeah, please comment, like, and please.
I don't think we're going to get him. I don't even know where he is anymore.
I see him.
Where? You see him?
So like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below what you want us to make a video of next.
Yeah, we're going to try to catch them. Okay, see what they're doing. Bye!
Okay, so yeah, bye guys. We'll probably make a series 2. We'll probably make a series 2 of trying to get our granny's dog. So yeah.
Like, subscribe, take your hate somewhere else, and goodbye.
Bye.